This is John with WTI. And this Birch and Bender's pancake and waffle mix is just great. And one of the things that I like the most from this mix is that it comes with every time that I used it with 10 grams of protein. Sometimes, or most of the time, when I use this type of pancake mix, it won't give me any added benefit. But having this guy here and that I mix it with the eggs, then you just need water. So it's going to be low calorie. And at the same time, it's going to be so good that it's going to help you to reach your protein goals of the day. So I've had this. The texture is nice. It's fluffy. Like I said, you just have to add water. Or if you want to do milk, you can do milk too. I've done this in two different ways, and they both taste great. So adding this with the eggs, this pancake mix, and the fact that these have a good amount of protein is just so convenient if you're just trying to add more protein into your diet and build some muscle. So this was John with WATI, and that was my point of view.